What's up, everybody? It's your boy Tuki, and I'm back with another video. Today we have another mukbang. So today I have for y'all, I have 5 lobster tail. I have one small king crab back here that I have left over from the last video. 1 egg, some cucumbers, a little chicken and apple sausage. I actually cooked these in the air fryer so it can get real crispy. Got a little lemon. And today I actually have another sauce. I have some garlic butter versus the other butter that I can't speak to that. The other butter that I normally have, the little spicy sauce. So I went ahead and tried something different today. And I did cook these lobster tail. I went ahead and seasoned it and then put a little, a little butter on them, put them in the oven, cooked them a little bit, broiled them, and boom, and we're here. So yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and say grace and we're gonna go ahead and get started, okay? All right. Amen. All right. So I think I'm just gonna go right on in with the lobster tail. Let's go ahead and rip that baby off. Put it over here. Let's see. Dip it in that butter. Ooh, it's hot too. I'm gonna burn my mouth. That's good. That's really good. Y'all ever got something too hot? It either burn your tongue or the roof of your mouth. Then, if it's the roof of your mouth, it's fine. But if it's your tongue, it's over with. You can't taste nothing. This sausage, it's actually some chicken and apple sausage. That's good. I also got some 2-tone spicy sauce over here to the side. I may use that. But that's good by itself. I don't know if that's gonna be the same. You gotta eat it by itself. That was good though. Let's see, I'm gonna get another lobster tail. Ooh, okay. Plus, I had actually baked these in the oven. Cause I like my lobster tail to be a little firm. And then when you boil them, they roll up like roly-polies. And that ain't it there. It look like a little bug. A little lemon juice. That's real good. That's good. This is my first time actually eating seafood with garlic butter. You know, I'm more of a spice person, so I do like the spice. But that garlic butter got a lot of flavor. Yeah. Ooh. I'm gonna dip this in the garlic butter, but then I'm gonna put some 2-tone spicy sauce in there and see what it's giving. What you giving, love? It's just, ooh, this is so flavorful though. Let's see, on it. What? Now what done happened? I know it's open. Oh, a little paper still on there. Oh, excuse me. Okay, let's try this again. Dip, 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 dip. Ooh. Y'all see that? Oh, I just, ooh. Okay, let's go ahead and drop that on there. Ooh, 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 ooh. That's good. The combination is real good. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I like that. Okay. This sausage. This sausage is like it came off the barbecue grill. I put it right in my air fryer. This is how I like my meat when it's on the barbecue grill. I need to see something on there. That's good there. I do want to try, I never had sausage, I never had rice with my actual seafood boils. But I know I've been seeing people eating the sausage, cucumber, and rice together. I know Kim does that, but I've never tried it myself. I do want to try it though. One thing about like rice and potatoes, it make you get full quick. And she be wearing it out. This the one I had yesterday on my other video. Let's see. All right. Yeah, that's a little difficult right here. I have to break them. 1, 2, break them. 2, whatever they be saying. Y'all know that song off of P Valley? I don't really know the songs like that, but I love P Valley. I can't wait for season 2. Ooh. I love everybody on that show. Mississippi, Autumn, Mercedes, Uncle Clifford. All of them. Ugh. Put all that meat out of there. Ugh. Come on. There you go. All right. Okay. Oh, excuse me. Okay, so we got this. We're gonna dip that. Cause you gotta dip that. If you're gonna do it, you gotta go ahead and do it and dip that. Put a little lemon on there. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Yes. Mm. Every time I do my video, every time I do my videos, I go back to it and I be like, you never use the lemon. And I love the lemon. And I always forget to use it. I don't know why. Mm. Ooh. A tough one. Okay, there you go. Look at that, look at that. Ooh. So this year, it will be this year that I actually want to go to like a haunted house. I want to go to, what's that they be having at Six Flags? Fright Fest. I want to go to Fright Fest. I want to do all that. But I don't think it's open because of COVID. Put all that out. I don't know. This year I'm just feeling festive for Halloween. And I just want to go. Do y'all know if they open? This king crab. Ooh. It's just, it's a whole nother caliber. Like compared to like just eating snow crab. And don't get me wrong, I like snow crab too. Okay. You know, it got that little sweetness taste or whatever. You can eat them faster. It don't take as much. I don't know. Man, well, it just depends. Oh. Oh no. No, baby. Oh no. We don't eat off no. Anything fall, that's where it go. Straight to the trash. So, I don't know, but I do want to go. I'm gonna have to, I'm getting out there. I'm gonna have to look into it and see if they open or not. I also got this bubbly, strawberry bubbly. Y'all see that? Strawberry bubbly. It's a, sparkling water. I love water. I really do. So when I saw this one, I just had to get it. Oh, excuse me. Let's see. How's it there? I'm just gonna pour that drip, 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 and drop. I need every drop. Oh, it's hot. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, give it to me. Oh, 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 oh. Yes. Oh, okay. I'm sorry for smacking, but that's really good. That's good. I'm gonna go back to this lobster tail though. I'm gonna have to put some, this combination was real good. Ooh, dip, dip. Take it for a swim. Dip, dip. Mmm. Mmm. So yeah, I was really hungry today. As you can tell, I normally don't eat all my food. But I'm just not eating. It's like 4 in the evening right now, so it's my last lobster tail. Mm. Mm. That's all I needed right here. Right here. Somebody told me how to exit, but I don't. Right here, right here, right here, my nigga. Oop. Take that out. Right here, right here. Mm. I am full boots. You know what I mean? Oh, I'm full. All right, everybody. Thank y'all for watching this video. Once again, it's your boy Tuki. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Like this video, leave a comment down below, and share this video with everybody that you know. Until next time, see y'all later. Peace.